TorBot. Picture a robot crawler built specifically for the most hidden corners of the internet. That's TorBot, created by an open-source developer community on GitHub. This Python-based tool crawls Onion sites the same way Google crawls regular websites. It maps links, extracts emails, and even classifies content using machine learning. Security researchers use it to track illegal marketplaces. The catch? It only works through the Tor network, so every request gets bounced through 3 encrypted relays before reaching its target. OnionScan. A single Canadian researcher changed dark web security forever. Sarah Jamie Lewis built OnionScan in 2016 to expose operational security mistakes on hidden services. The tool scans Onion sites for leaked metadata, exposed configuration files, and identical server fingerprints. It famously revealed that many supposedly anonymous sites shared the same Bitcoin addresses and PGP keys. That single discovery linked dozens of separate marketplaces to common operators. Hunchley. Imagine a digital notebook that captures everything you see while investigating. Hunchley does exactly that. Built by Justin Seath, a Canadian open-source intelligence trainer, this tool automatically logs every web page visited during a dark web investigation. It timestamps screenshots and preserves evidence in a court-admissible format. Law enforcement agencies rely on it because dark web pages vanish without warning. Without Hunchley, a vanished page means lost evidence. Ahmia. Not every dark web tool is built for spying. Ahmia is a search engine created by Finnish developer Juha Nurmi back in 2014. It indexes only Tor hidden services and deliberately filters out child abuse content. Researchers scrape Ahmia's index to study legitimate Tor usage, like whistleblower platforms and privacy forums. It proved that dark web tools can serve ethical research, not just criminal tracking. Tor2Web. Here's a clever workaround nobody expected. Tor2Web lets ordinary browsers access Onion sites without installing Tor at all. Built by Italian developer Aaron Swartz collaborator Giovanni Pellerano, it acts as a proxy gateway between the regular internet and hidden services. Researchers scrape Onion content through Tor2Web because it skips the slow Tor circuit entirely. Speed comes at a cost though. It strips away the anonymity protection Tor normally provides. Recon NG. Originally built for the surface web, Recon NG adapted brilliantly for darker territory. Created by Tim Tomes, this reconnaissance framework uses modular plugins for data gathering. Analysts plug in dark web modules to scrape forum posts and marketplace listings automatically. Its database structure means scraped data stays organized for months of ongoing investigations. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife with a dark web attachment. Deep.web. Sometimes, the best intelligence comes from sites that no longer exist. Deep.web operated as a dark web news hub until the FBI seized it in 2019. Researchers later built custom scrapers using the Wayback Machine and archived caches to reconstruct its historical marketplace reviews. This taught analysts a hard lesson. Scrape data before it disappears, because seizures happen overnight. Maltego. A spider web of connections becomes visible instantly with Maltego. Developed by South African company Paterva, this tool visualizes relationships between usernames, emails, and Onion addresses. Investigators import scraped dark web data into Maltego to map criminal networks visually. One username on a forum can suddenly connect to 20 other accounts across different marketplaces. Scrapy with Tor proxy. Most powerful tools start as simple frameworks. Scrapy, built using Python, becomes dark web capable once configured with SOCKS 5 proxy settings routing through Tor's port 9050. Developers write custom spiders targeting specific Onion domains. This combination remains the most flexible option because Scrapy's open architecture handles almost any website structure imaginable. Grams. Before Google indexed the surface web properly, dark web users had grams. Launched in 2014, this now defunct search engine mimicked Google's interface specifically for dark web marketplaces. Security researchers scraped its cached results to study drug pricing trends across multiple sites simultaneously. It shut down in 2017, but its design influenced every dark web search tool that followed. Torcrawl.py. Simplicity wins for many investigators. Torcrawl.py, another open-source Python script, extracts and saves Onion website content in clean text files. Built specifically for academic research, it strips advertisements and navigation clutter automatically. Universities studying dark web economics frequently cite this lightweight tool in published papers. Intelligence X, a search engine that remembers everything. Intelligence X, founded by Czech developer Peter Kleisner, archives dark web pages permanently, even after sites go offline. Investigators search historical snapshots years later. That permanence makes it invaluable when marketplaces disappear overnight, leaving researchers with nothing but Intelligence X's preserved record.